Is it still worth investing in Bitcoin? What are the risks? How much can I win or lose if I enter now in this market? That is what I'm going to explain in a simple video. Welcome to the Money is Freedom channel. With Bitcoin approaching its historic high with consecutive high growths, the big question is, should I invest in Bitcoin? There are different perspectives to consider. According to the history of cryptocurrencies, most of the times that an asset reached its historical record, we witnessed two behaviours in the market. The FOMO, fear of missing out, which means the fear of losing an opportunity that may end, together with large investors who bought the asset at a good price, thinking about selling it in the future for a guaranteed great profit. So on one side is the buying force and the other the selling force. Before detailing each side so that we can take a decision, let's remember December 2017, when Bitcoin was traded at approximately $19,000, and we saw a market crazy for this asset. A few months later, in December 2018, the currency was traded at approximately $3,000, causing a disaster for many people who entered the market in late 2017. However, if those who lost their money would have stayed with their assets, they would recover almost everything today. On the other hand, after the halving, which cut the price for mining Bitcoin in half, making the cryptocurrency skyrocket and reach almost $18,000 today. Well, the price has followed its cost. Before halving, the cost of mining was around $8,000, as was the price of the count a few months earlier. There is a halving every 4 years, so we believe that it is almost guaranteed that in 4 years this currency will be worth around $40,000, increasing its value every 4 years. However, some experts say that in 2021 the price might rise to $50,000. This is because 2020 was an historic milestone for the credibility of this currency since PayPal entered the Bitcoin market. When big institutions start entering the game, regular people will not have space in the market, as each institution that positions itself consumes more than the capacity of Bitcoin produced daily, taking the market to themselves. Recent news show that a large part of the world's rich are increasing their positions with Bitcoin. And although the currency isn't new, we can still say that those who are entering the market are early adopters, as the currency is still unknown for the vast majority. However, at the moment the currency popularizes, its value will rise to new levels beyond our imagination. However, experts on the matter say that this growth won't be consistent in 2021, as we're seeing in this last quarter of 2020, as they believe that after reaching its historical maximum, Bitcoin will go under a correction of approximately 30% of its value, also affirming that there's a 90% chance that this will happen, under the argument that most of other cryptocurrencies that had a fast growing phase faced a fast decrease of their value in a few months. So, if you are looking for short-term profits, it may not be the best decision to buy Bitcoin right now, since there might be a better time to enter. However, if you want to invest money and you don't need it in the short term, being aware that you might have losses in the short term, but with potential gains in the long term, then, like me, it would be interesting to buy it and save it, since, after all, even at $19,000, it's just slightly above its production cost. And, in the future, this currency will no longer be found at cost. This video was made with a lot of transparency and dedication so that you can make the best decision for your investments. So if you liked our work, click on the like button so we can keep working with similar content. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel, as we've more videos on the way talking about the enigmatic cryptocurrency market, with current tips, financial independence and control spreadsheets and more. So remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button so you get the best tips at the right time.